sitting in the hay. Honey, how long was I laughing in the rain with you? 'Cause I didn't feel a drop till the thunder brought us to. And me underneath the roof of tin, pretty comfy feeling how the rain ain't creeping in. We can sit and dry just as long as it can pour, 'cause the way it makes you look makes me hope it takes some more. You and me in rain on the roof, caught up in a summer shower, dry and white.